Tanay Rizal. Good morning everybody. This is Pastor Jester Alvin. This is Tanay Rizal. See here different places in Tanay Rizal. I'm in front here of the Pure Gold. And now I am taking a video in order to orient you about Tanay Rizal. This is Tanay Rizal. These are all the bicycles being used here in the Philippines. And see here different places here in the Philippines. And taking this video in order that you will know what is the situation here in the Philippines. Tanay Rizal is also a town here near my church in Baras, Rizal. Tanay is your adventure destination. Tanay Rizal. My brethren, I'm orienting you about my place. And today is Saturday, December 21, 2013. Featuring Tanay Rizal. You can see how busy are the people. Never think about their salvation. They are thinking about their personal affairs. They are not concerned about going to the churches in order to prepare for their salvation. So today you will notice that this is the trend. People are getting in marriage. People are very busy on their personal affairs and no more time in order to worship the Lord and to prepare for their own salvation, for their soul. My brethren, it is fair weather today, sunny. The weather is sunny. You can see here how the sun strikes us here with good weather condition. I'll move forward there in that area. There is Pure Gold, new building, Pure Gold. And here we have Motor Trade selling motorcycles. This the way people live here in the Philippines. And we have the Tanay General Hospital here. Tanay General Hospital. back to the plaza area. You can see here infinity, more than just tea. Matubas, LRCG, air conditioned bus. You can see the trend of the people walking, and we have here another dealer, motorcycle, Motorland, Motorlandia. We have there the Philippine Nautical Institute of Science and Arts and Technology, the Future Music Bar, and will be amazing salon there. I will continue this video later. Thank you. The time now is 12 o'clock noon.